Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Aspiring coders, get ready to explore GitHub Copilot, a revolutionary to transforming the landscape of coding. Join me on this beginner-friendly journey as we uncover the essentials and discover how GitHub Copilot can enhance your coding experience. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, first of all, what is the GitHub Copilot? So as you can see here, this is a brief introduction that I really liked. It is simple and brief. So GitHub Copilot is a code completion tool developed by GitHub and OpenAI that assists users of Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, NeoVim, and JetBrains integrated development environments by auto-completing code. So here it is the website of them. So you simply have to go here into GitHub Copilot, which is basically in GitHub features/Copilot, and you will be able to find it. So the world's most widely adopted AI developer tool. Now, what does it do exactly? So you simply have to read this and you will notice. So here, let me just refresh the page, and basically, hi, how can I help you? And basically they are going to give you here a way to write a prompt. So here you simply, for example, you write a unit test for this function. So you simply have copied the function, give it to the AI, and basically the AI is actually going to give you a unit test. So the code assumes that the data module is imported, the test says, so it's going to explain for you even the code itself, which is very good. Now this is very useful for developers and coders and people who just like to write script. Why so? Because I know your situation, guys. You simply have so much trouble looking for solutions of errors in your code. So this is a well-known issue with developers and programmers. While they are writing code, they can spend like 1 hour writing the whole script and 7 hours searching for the error and what is the cause of it. So using this AI, you simply have to copy the code, guys, and paste it right into it. You might tell me you can simply go for ChatGPT and ask it the same question. Well, yeah, this is a solution, but this one is more developed. Why so? Because it is more into coding, it has much database, it's been throughout more training in that category of things. But of course you can use ChatGPT 4 in case you had it and train it as you would like. But this one is much better. It is made by OpenAI, which are basically the company of ChatGPT, so you are not even losing anything. This is basically their resources plus the resource of GitHub, and combine them both, you get GitHub Copilot. Now, how can we start using it? Well, first of all, you have to get started. So to get started, guys, you simply have to go right here and first click on this button right through that. So here it is the thing. This Copilot is not for free. This AI it is not a free bot. So let's check the 3 plans that they have and you will understand why it is not free. So the Copilot Individual, this one is for individual developers, freelancers, students, and educators that want to code faster and happier. $10 per month is gonna be around 100 USD per year. So free for verified student, teachers, and maintainers of popular open source projects. Now for the actual features and what is included in it, well, you have a chat, so unlimited messages and interactions with the bot, context-aware coding support and explanations, debugging, insecurity remediation assistance. You will get also code completion, real-time code suggestions, and comments to code. This one is very useful because in the meantime, while you are writing the code itself, they can give you suggestion without you asking. Of course, this option you can turn it off and on, but you want it always to be turned on because you want always your code to be written the best way possible. Now there is the smart actions inline chat and prompt suggestions, slash commands and context variable, commit message generation, supported environments like IDE, CLA, and GitHub Mobile, management and policies. You have a public code filter. Now for the second plan, which is the Copilot business, it is basically made for organizations ready to improve engineering velocity, code quality, and developer experience. This one is for $20 a month. So as you can see here, it has a lot of things that we're gonna talk about, of course. So it has basically the first three things that are in the chat, which is in the normal version. You have the same thing which is in the content completion, the same thing in smart actions, the same thing in supported environments. The only thing that is changing is the fact in the management and policies. You have user management, data excluded from training by default, IP indemnity, content exclusions, and SMLO, the SSO authentication. So this is only the difference between these two. It's basically the management and policies section. Now for the Copilot Enterprise, it is $40 a month. Now for this one, it has literally everything, and with everything I mean literally everything. So let's read about it. So the first three things, we've seen them already. So you will have also conversation tailored to your organization repositories. You have also answers based on your organization's knowledge base, access to knowledge from top open source repositories, pull request different analysis, web search powered by Bing beta. You have also code completion, fine-tuned models coming soon as added on, smart actions. It will be pull request description and summarization. For the supported environment, you will have GitHub also included, and management and policies, you will have also requires GitHub Enterprise Cloud. So we will have all these features available for you for a amount which is a $40 a month. Of course, you can contact for sales, you can't really get it for free. For example, this one you can get a free trial for it, but for the other ones you just have to either buy them or contact sales. So you can, I mean, you can look for the price, check if you want to turn on one of these options, and they will give you a different pricing depending on what company you are, how many users do you want, and etc. So this is exactly what they mean with contact sales. That is why by now it's not included in here, because they do not give it like to normal individuals. They only give it for people who are like maintaining like an enterprise organization. And yeah, this is basically the GitHub Copilot, guys. It is a very useful tool. It's very helpful when it comes to coding, fixing your errors, and finding them in the first place. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.